Good morning, it's Renaissance Chick, where messes are still signs of life, where it's the what never changes. It's just a matter of how and when, and we focus and frame things, and not why we can't, but how we can. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show a really simple hack. I'm sure this is not the first original video, at least I hope not. So when I go backpacking, I do like deliberate planning. I always bring some Vaseline with me, usually not that large, so it takes a lot of space for backpacking. And it does, why it itself is not super heavy, it adds weight. So usually I'll get like one of those like travel sizes, maybe like a third of that size or whatever. And then sometimes I'll use my baby wipes after I've used them. I know that sounds a little weird, but I'll take a little bit and you'll see why. Or I'll just have a handful of cotton balls. I don't have cotton balls on me today, but needless to say, what I'm going to demonstrate is what we do. So what you're essentially doing is, now you probably know the generic name to Vaseline, right? It's like kind of like Q-tip is the whatever it is for your ear. Vaseline essentially is petroleum jelly. So the key word in there is what? That is right, petroleum. So what I do is I'm going to glob this up, and this kind of imagine this being a big cotton ball. And I just happen to have like the end of a paper towel roll. So why I haven't done this exact one conceptually, theoretically, in terms of like petroleum jelly, some sort of fuel source, has like a wick, and we'll just call this a Vaseline candle. Now I'm confident this is going to light, but what it's going to do is it's going to give you like a slow and steady source of heat to cook, to start a fire. And what I like about this, especially in inclement weather, as long as you can strike a match or get a little bit of a flame for something larger like this, it's very tried and true. So seeing is believing. Let me go ahead and get this over here in this fire area, and let's light it up. So I'll let it go for a minute. So I want to demonstrate it doesn't just burn it out. It kind of slows it down. It's almost, I'm really reluctant to use the word napalm, because it is not napalm. I know from experience, but it has that jelly-like substance. So, see if I can zoom in a little bit. But what you'll notice is that, yeah, see how that's almost more like a flame or a candle? So I won't spend too much of your time. Hopefully you believe me, it's an easy, fun thing. If you like scouts, got kids that are outdoors, and that's the kind of thing you do. It's a fun little project. For example, candles are great. Like when you're doing fireworks, they're like run back into, especially like sparklers with kids, as long as you got some adult supervision. But this is another little fun project. We're good to know how. I've used it with like pine needles as well, because I knew like air Vaseline didn't bring anything. Pine needles actually work really good. But if you got something, you know, that you're willing to burn, it's kind of like paper-like, cotton material, fabric-like, this is a great little tool or know-how to have in your kit bag. All right, everyone, this is Renaissance Chick, where messes are still signs of life. Have a good one. Out.